We interrupt this video to bring you a special presentation. Hello, my name is Odobo01, and today we are going to be looking at the Canon Vizia HV40. Inside you will find a Canon HDV camera, an instruction manual, warranty card, software disk, battery pack and cover, wireless controller, power adapter, component cable, USB cable, and stereo video cable.